today we're going to learn how to sing head, shoulders, knees, and toes.
Yay!
All right, so I'm going to say the words and then I want you to repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
Head, shoulders, knees, and toes.
Head, shoulders, knees, and toes.
Knees and toes. Knees and toes.
Knees and toes, knees and toes.
Head, shoulders, knees, and toes.
Head, shoulders, knees, and toes.
And eyes and ears and mouth and nose.
And eyes and ears and mouth and nose.
All right, we're going to make our parts a little longer this time. So we're going to go head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Good job. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
And eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes.
Eyes, ears, and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees, and toes.
Good job. Can we try and sing it a little bit this time? All right, I'll go first. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
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 And eyes and ears and mouth and nose.
Eyes and ears and mouth and nose.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Good job. Can we try and all sing it together now? All right, ready?
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
And
Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
good job, everybody. Now, can we stand up really tall? And we're going to add some actions to our song. So when it says head, shoulders, we tap our head, we tap our shoulders. And then it says knees and toes. We reach for our knees, and then we reach for our toes. So every time it says one of those words, we have to tap our body part. And then it says, and eyes, where are our eyes? Our eyes and ears and mouth and nose. And then it says head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Can we try that with our song?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
And
Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
good job!
So I'm Miss Oldford, as you guys may know. Today, since it's the winter and it's March and I'm really cold, I'm gonna make a nice cup of tea. And what do I need to make a cup of tea? I need a teapot. So today we're gonna learn a song that's called I'm a Little Teapot. So in order to teach you guys this song today, I'm gonna have you repeat a few lines after me. So I'm gonna point at myself, and that'll be my turn. When I point at you guys, it's gonna be your turn. So to start, I'm just gonna teach you the words before we add any melody or anything like that. So repeat after me. I'm a little teapot.
I'm a little teapot.
Short and stout. teapot, short and stout.
I'm a little teapot, short and stout.
Okay, perfect. Moving on. Here is my handle.
Here is my handle,
And here is my spout.
and here is my spout.
When I get all steamed up,
When I get all steamed up,
hear me shout.
hear me shout.
Okay, we're gonna go back and we'll do that second part again. Here is my handle, here is my spout.
Here is my handle, here is my spout.
When I get all steamed up, hear me shout.
When I get all steamed up, hear me shout.
Tip me over
Tip me over
and pour me out.
and pour me out.
Okay, we're gonna have you guys repeat it after me just one more time, but I'm gonna make it a little longer again. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout.
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout.
When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out.
When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out.
Perfect. Do you guys feel okay about the words? Is it okay maybe if we add some melody? Okay. So I'm gonna do the first long line and then you guys can repeat after me. So the melody goes like this. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout.
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout.
When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out.
When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out.
Lovely. Do you guys think you could do it all the way from the beginning? Okay, I'm gonna sing it with you too, just in case. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out.
Okay, awesome job, guys. What quick learners. Okay, so I want you to stand up because we're gonna add some actions. Is there any way you guys can think that you can make your body look like a teapot? Any ideas? No?
Your hand on your hip.
You can put your hand on your hip. Yeah, that kind of looks like a handle. And what about this? Do I look like a teapot now? Do you see my handle and my spout? Okay, so to go along with this song, when it says, here is my handle, in the second line, we're gonna put our hand on our hips, like our handle. So it'll go, here is my handle. And then for the spout, when it says, here is my spout, we're gonna make our little spout. Now, the exciting part, when it says, when I get all steamed up, we're gonna put our hands up to the sky. And then when it says, tip me over and pour me out, we're gonna go, tip. Does that make sense for you guys? Do you think we understand?
Yep.
Do you need me to do an example or do you think we're good to go?
Good to go.
Good to go? Okay, so from the beginning, remember, here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout, and then tip me over. Okay, ready from the beginning with our actions and our melody. I'll count you guys in. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here is my handle, here is my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me over and pour me out. Good job!
Miss Eltham is going to teach you guys a song today called Bingo. So, when I point at myself, I'm going to say a line, and when I point at you, I want you to repeat what I just said, okay? There was a farmer who had a dog,
There was a farmer who had a dog,
and Bingo was his name-o.
and Bingo was his name-o.
Okay, so there was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name-o.
There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name-o.
Okay, and then we're gonna spell bingo. So B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O. We're gonna do it 3 times. Your turn.
B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O.
And Bingo was his name-o.
And Bingo was his name-o.
Okay, so B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name-o.
B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name-o.
Okay, perfect. Now we're gonna add a little bit of melody in there, okay? So there was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name-o.
There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name-o.
Good. B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name-o.
B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name-o.
Okay, I'm gonna do it all, and then I want you guys to do it after, okay? There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name-o. B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name-o.
There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name-o. B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name-o.
Great job, guys. All right, now we're gonna add some actions. So I need you guys to stand up because we're gonna use our full bodies for these actions. Okay, so there was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. We're just gonna march. So there was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name. Now when we're spelling bingo, we're gonna go B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name. So let's do that all together, okay? There
Was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name-o. B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name-o.
Okay, now we're gonna do a couple rounds. So the first round, when the bingo, we're gonna point. The second round, we're gonna clap. So B-I-N-G-O, 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 and then we're gonna march again. Bingo was his name. The second, we're gonna do some claps on our knees. B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O. Now lightly, do lightly on your legs, everybody. We don't wanna hurt our legs. And then the last round, we're gonna do head taps. Very lightly head taps. We do not need to hurt our head, right? So just B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O. Okay, so the first round, remember pointing, clapping, knees, and head. Okay? All right, let's start from the beginning. There
Was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name-o. B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name-o. There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name-o. B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name-o. There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name-o. B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name-o.
last round.
There was a farmer who had a dog, and Bingo was his name-o. B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name-o.
Great job! Great job, everybody.
Okay, beautiful. So I'm gonna go first, and then you're gonna follow. So I'm gonna say a few lines, and then you guys are gonna repeat after me, and then we're gonna like speed it up a little bit. We're gonna add a melody, and then the third round, we're gonna do it all together, and we're gonna add some actions. Sound fun?
Fun.
All right. So it goes like this. The wiggly jiggly jellyfish, the wiggly jiggly jellyfish is hopping in the sea. The wiggly jiggly jellyfish says, "Can you hop with me?" Your turn.
The wiggly jiggly jellyfish is hopping in the sea. The wiggly jiggly jellyfish says, can you hop with me?
Good job. Then it goes, The wiggly jiggly jellyfish says stop. Can you clap with me?
The wiggly jiggly jellyfish says stop. Can you clap with me?
Then we're going to repeat ourselves. We're going to say, the wiggly jiggly jellyfish is clapping in the sea. The wiggly jiggly jellyfish says, can you clap with me?
The wiggly jiggly jellyfish is clapping in the sea. The wiggly jiggly jellyfish says, can you clap with me?
Great job. And then we're going to say, the wiggly jiggly jellyfish says stop. Can you stretch with me?
The wiggly jiggly jellyfish says stop. Can you stretch with me?
You guys are fabulous. Great job. Give yourself a hand of prayer. Okay, so this time we're going to speed it up a little bit and we're going to add a melody and we're going to sing it. Okay, are we up for the challenge? Okay, so I'm going to go first. If Miss forgets to do this, remember to do it, okay? The wiggly jiggly jellyfish is hopping in the sea. The wiggly jiggly jellyfish says, can you hop with me?
The wiggly jiggly jellyfish is hopping in the sea. The wiggly jiggly jellyfish says, can you hop with me?
The wiggly jiggly jellyfish says, stop. Can you clap with me?
The wiggly jiggly jellyfish says, stop. Can you clap with me?
The wiggly jiggly jellyfish is clapping in the sea. The wiggly jiggly jellyfish says, can you clap with me?
The wiggly jiggly jellyfish is clapping in the sea. The wiggly jiggly jellyfish says, can you clap with me?
The wiggly jiggly jellyfish says, stop. Can you stretch with me?
The wiggly jiggly jellyfish says, stop. Can you stretch with me?
Great job, guys. Do we think we can do it all together?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna add a few actions this time. So this time we're gonna do, obviously we know what clapping is, right? Okay, so we're gonna go left to right, if you can. There you go. And then for hopping, we're gonna pretend that the little jellyfish is at the bottom of the sea, and we're gonna go doop, doop. Okay? Perfect. All together. 3, 2, 1. The wiggly jiggly jellyfish is hopping in the sea. The wiggly jiggly jellyfish says, can you hop with me? The wiggly jiggly jellyfish says, stop! Can you clap with me? The wiggly jiggly jellyfish is diving in the sea. The wiggly jiggly jellyfish says, can you clap with me? The wiggly jiggly jellyfish says, stop! Can you stretch with me? Great job, guys!
Good afternoon. My name is Mackenzie Tobin, and I'm going to be teaching the Itsy Bitsy Spider. So when I do this, it means I do. When I point to you, it means you do. So you repeat after me. So, the Itsy Bitsy Spider
The itsy bitsy spider
went up the water spout.
went up the water spout.
Down came the rain
Down came the rain
and washed the spider out.
and washed the spider out.
Out came the sun
Out came the sun
and dried up all the rain.
and dried up all the rain.
And the Itsy Bitsy Spider
And the itsy bitsy spider
went up the spout again.
went up the spout again.
Excellent. Now we're going to do it with the tune of the song. So again, I'll start and you can repeat after me. The itsy bitsy spider
The itsy bitsy spider
went up the water spout.
went up the water spout.
Down came the rain
Down came the rain
and washed the spider out.
and washed the spider out.
Out came the sun
Out came the sun
and dried up all the rain.
and dried up all the rain.
And the itsy bitsy spider
The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Beautiful. Now let's add some actions. So in the beginning, when it says, the itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout, we're gonna take our spiders, our hands, put them like this. So your thumb should be touching your pointers for both hands, and you're gonna go, the itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. And the itsy bitsy spider went up